All right, we're already talking about ways to save gas.
Yes.
Frank Lloyd's joining me with Desert Car Care Center of Cave Creek.
Yes.
I love the bunny
Yes,
ears.
we got to get into Happy Easter, people.
Yes.
But it ain't a Happy Easter. We're overspending on fuel.
I know, it's kind of wild.
Gas prices have been just ridiculous.
I mean, we've talked about, practical ways, not gunning it, better on the braking, but there's some other things we can do to try to help us save some money.
That's right. And I want to talk, of course, air, fuel, fire. We all have all heard that, right?
Okay.
That's the essence of what will happen to an engine. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan. I've got live data. What I want folks to know is if you go into your garage, it's scanning all the modules on this one here. What does this mean? Some folks don't know what they need. A good mechanic is going to do their x-ray and pinpoint. So with this vehicle, we can actually see, let me just get in here to this top. It's scanning all the modules.
And this is, most modern cars have these onboard diagnostics, and they'll be able to tell you what you're looking at.
So we are completed, and I want to show folks, mainly, this has got an active check engine light related to horrible fuel mileage.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, so now look at this. System 2 lean. Remember, we talked about air and fuel. Lean is just too much air, so let's come on over here. This is your air filter.
Gotcha.
Right? So we know the basics. We talk about it all the time. People change your air filters.
Oh, that's a nasty
dirty.
one.
This is low-lying fruit for fuel mileage. And then we also talk about these spark plugs. Okay, I had a client come in the garage up there at Desert Car Care Cave Creek, and 170,000 on the original plugs.
Oh, okay, so that's probably way too long.
That's way too long. So 80 to 100 K is a safe bet. The idea here is that these spark plugs will burn that fuel if we're not burned properly. And by the way, we can look at that. Let's get back into this, because this data keeps folks from actually having, let's go into some live data, questions about, it's like, I went to my mechanic, they did something and it still isn't fixed. Well, the data, these are rolling computers, so we can go in and actually look at all of this data in here. Mainly, we can also look at misfires.
Gotcha.
Because those spark plugs, if they're misfiring, it's a problem. Now, some of my old classic cars that come in the garage, they have the old school fuel filters.
Okay, there you go. I've seen those.
This is a see-through style, and some of the old vehicles will also have some of these fuel filters. It is time to go in and do the basics, cover the basics, but more importantly, it's worthy of getting an x-ray. Have a test done. I'll call it an MPG test. Hey, Mr. Mechanic, give me an MPG test, because then we're not guessing, and you can focus your dollars on saving gas and not just throwing parts.
So looking at those air filters, looking at the spark plugs, fuel filters, right up there front, I see the Techron.
Yeah, so folks, I've had them come in the garage. Hey, Frank, what can I put in my gas tank to keep things clean? And these injectors are like shower heads. They can actually start, decreasing the flow. I like a Techron. Everybody has their flavor. Keep a couple of these bottles. I believe you can get these at Costco or any of your local parts stores. Keep one of these, throw it in the tank, keep your injectors clean.
How often should I do that?
Well, once a month is fine.
Once a month is fine. You don't need to do overkill every week or anything like that.
Exactly. Go with the budget and the wallet. You don't have to go overkill. And the idea is to stay in tune to the vehicle. Tune-ups usually 80 to 100,000, but more importantly, let's look at data so we're not just throwing parts.
That's a good idea.
We don't want that.
I think some people wonder, does higher test, does that help with efficiency?
You have to follow. It's a great question. I get that question all the time. I'm a big advocate of following what the manufacturers recommend. A lot of your European vehicles, they're going to be 91, they're going to be high test, and unfortunately that does hit the pocket now. But over long term, there could be issues if not used properly.
Fantastic. Tell me about this real quick.
We're excited. Kiwanis Pancake Breakfast.
Okay.
April 11th, Carefree Kiwanis, really helping out the kids. Over $500,000 a year in scholarships.
Perfect.
This is a big event. Please, KiwanisCarefree.org. All you can eat pancakes, people. That's what we need in life.
Yes, exactly. Frank, we always appreciate it. Desert Car Care of Cave Creek. Be sure to check them out. Some great tips trying to help us save some money.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, brother.
Yes.
Appreciate you.